Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how do I make a flat list out of a list of lists? To make a flat list out of a list of lists in Python, you can use nested list comprehension, the itertools.chain function, or a simple loop. Here are some examples. 1. Using nested list comprehension. 2. Using itertools.chain. 3. Using a loop. Now let's run example code. Here is the output you will get. All of these methods will produce the same output, which is a flat list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, from the original list of lists 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.